In today's fast-paced world, staying organized can feel like a Herculean task. Our lives are a whirlwind of appointments, deadlines, and ideas. Thankfully, the digital age offers a solution: digital planning. No more scribbled notes or forgotten appointments. With the right apps and a little know-how, you can streamline your life and boost your productivity. This guide will walk you through the essentials of digital planning, empowering you to take control of your time and tasks. We'll explore the power of digital calendars, task management apps, and note-taking tools. We'll even delve into the magic of automation, showing you how to make technology work for you. Get ready to unlock a world of organization and efficiency. Let's dive in. At the heart of any effective digital planning system lies a robust calendar. A well-maintained calendar is not just a tool, it's the backbone of your daily routine, helping you stay organized and on top of your commitments. Google Calendar stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option. Its intuitive design and seamless integration with other Google services make it an indispensable tool for both personal and professional use. It's more than just a place to jot down appointments, it's a comprehensive system for managing your time efficiently. With Google Calendar, you can easily schedule meetings, set reminders, and even share your calendar with others. Think of it as your command center for managing time. By centralizing all your events and tasks in one place, you can gain a clearer picture of your schedule and make more informed decisions about how to allocate your time. Start by color-coding your events. This simple yet effective technique allows you to categorize different types of activities, making it easier to distinguish between work, personal, and other commitments at a glance. Create separate calendars for different areas of your life, such as work, personal appointments, and projects. This way, you can keep your professional and personal lives distinct, reducing the risk of overlap and confusion. Assign a distinct color to each calendar, making it easy to see at a glance what's on the agenda. This visual differentiation helps you quickly identify the nature of your tasks and prioritize accordingly. Next, leverage the power of reminders. Reminders are crucial for staying on track and ensuring that important tasks and events don't slip through the cracks. Set notifications for upcoming events, ensuring you never miss a beat. You can customize these notifications to alert you at specific times, whether it's a day before or just minutes before an event. Customize reminder times to suit your preferences. Whether you need a gentle nudge an hour before a meeting or a more insistent alert the day before a deadline, Google Calendar has you covered. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your reminders to fit your unique workflow and avoid any last-minute surprises. Don't forget about recurring events. These are perfect for tasks and appointments that happen regularly, such as weekly team meetings or monthly bill payments. Automate your schedule by setting up events that repeat at regular intervals. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency in your routine. This simple step saves you time and mental energy, freeing you to focus on what matters most. By using Google Calendar as your command center, you can streamline your planning process and enhance your productivity, making every day more manageable and less stressful. While calendars excel at managing time, they often fall short when it comes to organizing tasks and projects in a detailed manner. This is where task management apps come into play. Task management apps like Notion and Trello are your allies in conquering to-do lists and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. These powerful tools bring order to the chaos, helping you break down projects into manageable steps and track your progress with ease. They allow you to visualize your tasks, set priorities, and monitor your progress, making it easier to stay on top of your workload. Notion, a versatile workspace, allows you to create detailed task lists, organize projects with Kanban boards, and even store notes and documents. Its Kanban boards are particularly useful for visualizing the flow of tasks and ensuring that every step of your project is accounted for. Additionally, Notion's ability to store notes and documents means you can keep all your project-related information in one place, making it easy to reference and update as needed. Its flexibility makes it a popular choice for both personal and professional use, allowing users to customize their workspace to fit their specific needs. Trello, known for its intuitive interface, employs a system of boards, lists, and cards to manage tasks. This system is highly visual and easy to use, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Create a board for each project, then break it down into lists representing different stages. This method helps you see the big picture while also focusing on individual tasks. Each list can represent a different stage of your project, such as to-do, in progress, and completed, allowing you to track the status of each task at a glance. Add cards for individual tasks, detailing what needs to be done and move them across lists as you progress. This not only keeps you organized, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you move tasks to the completed list. Moving cards across lists is a simple yet effective way to visualize your progress and stay motivated. Both Notion and Trello offer features for assigning deadlines, collaborating with others, and setting reminders. These features ensure that you stay on track and that your team is always in the loop. Choose the tool that best suits your workflow and watch your productivity soar. Whether you prefer the flexibility of Notion or the simplicity of Trello, these tools can transform the way you manage tasks and projects, leading to greater efficiency and success. Our minds are constantly buzzing with ideas, insights, and to-dos. Digital note-taking apps like Evernote and OneNote provide a sanctuary for capturing these fleeting thoughts, ensuring they're never lost in the ether. Evernote excels at organizing information. Create notebooks for different topics, such as work, personal projects, or brainstorming. Tag your notes with relevant keywords, making it effortless to find what you're looking for, even months later. OneNote, integrated seamlessly with the Microsoft Office suite, offers a more visual approach to note-taking. Its digital notebooks mimic the feel of physical ones, allowing you to insert images, handwritten notes, and even audio recordings. Whichever app you choose, make digital note-taking a habit. Jot down ideas, summarize meeting minutes, or capture inspiration as it strikes. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to recall information and stay organized when your thoughts have a designated digital home. Section 5. The power of automation. Zapier, your digital assistant. Imagine a world where tasks magically complete themselves, freeing you from the tedium of repetitive actions. Enter Zapier, a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Zapier operates on the concept of zaps, automated workflows that trigger actions in one app based on events in another. For instance, you could create a zap that automatically adds a task to your Trello board whenever you start an email in Gmail. The possibilities are endless. Connect your calendar to your task manager, your note-taking app to your cloud storage, or your social media accounts to your email marketing platform. With a little creativity, you can automate countless tasks, reclaiming hours of your precious time. Section 6. Consistency is key, making digital planning a habit. The most sophisticated digital planning system is worthless without consistency. It's not enough to simply set up these tools, you must integrate them into your daily routine. Make it a habit to check your calendar first thing in the morning, reviewing your schedule for the day, and making any necessary adjustments. Throughout the day, update your task lists as you complete items or new priorities emerge. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The beauty of digital planning lies in its flexibility. Adjust your system as your needs evolve, trying out different apps or workflows until you discover the perfect fit. Remember, digital planning is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the increased organization and productivity that comes with it. Section 7. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Prioritizing in the digital age. In the digital age, it's easy to fall into the trap of overcommitting. With the constant influx of emails, messages, and notifications, our attention is constantly being pulled in multiple directions. This can lead to a sense of being overwhelmed and stressed, making it difficult to focus on what truly matters. With countless tasks vying for our attention, it's crucial to prioritize ruthlessly. This means making tough decisions about what tasks are truly important and which ones can be postponed or even eliminated. It's about being strategic with your time and energy. Digital planning tools can help. These tools offer a variety of features that can assist in organizing and prioritizing tasks. From setting reminders to creating detailed schedules, digital planners can be a game changer in managing your workload effectively. Start by identifying your most important tasks for the day. These are the tasks that will have the most significant impact on your goals and overall productivity. By focusing on these high-priority tasks, you can ensure that you're making progress on what truly matters. These are the non-negotiables, the tasks that will have the most significant impact on your goals. It's essential to be clear about what these tasks are and to make them a priority in your daily schedule. Schedule time for these tasks first, ensuring they get your undivided attention. By allocating specific time slots for your most important tasks, you can avoid the temptation to procrastinate or get distracted by less important activities. Next, use your task manager to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach not only makes the task seem less daunting, but also provides a clear roadmap for completing the project. It allows you to tackle each step one at a time, making steady progress. This not only makes the task seem less daunting, but also allows you to track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Recognizing and celebrating these small achievements can boost your motivation and keep you on track. Remember, you can't do it all. It's important to acknowledge your limits and not overextend yourself. Trying to do too much can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Delegate tasks when possible and learn to say no to requests that don't align with your priorities. Delegating tasks can free up your time for more important activities, while saying no helps you maintain focus on your key objectives. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll achieve greater results and reduce stress. Prioritizing effectively in the digital age is about making intentional choices that align with your goals and values, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Section 8, the weekly review, a ritual for digital success. To ensure your digital planning system stays on track, establish a weekly review ritual. Set aside a dedicated time each week, perhaps Sunday evening or Monday morning, to reflect on the past week and plan for the week ahead. Begin by reviewing your calendar, noting any completed tasks, upcoming appointments, or potential scheduling conflicts. Update your task lists, adding new items, adjusting deadlines, and removing completed tasks. Next, take a step back and assess your overall progress. Are you moving closer to your goals? Are there any areas where you need to adjust your approach? The weekly review is an opportunity to course correct, ensuring you stay aligned with your priorities. Finally, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishments. Acknowledge your wins, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. Section 9, your digital toolbox, finding the perfect fit. The digital planning landscape is vast and ever-evolving. The tools we've explored in this guide represent just a starting point. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect combination of apps and workflows that suit your unique needs and preferences. Explore alternative calendar apps like Fantastical or Calendly. Dive deeper into the world of task management with tools like Todoist or Asana. Discover the power of mind mapping with apps like MindNode or Xmind. The key is to find tools that you enjoy using and that seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. Remember, the best digital planning system is the one you'll actually use. So embrace the world of digital planning, experiment with different tools, and discover the joy of a more organized and productive life.